Most people get this wrong when an Amazon order is delayed. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is immediately assuming your package is lost. In many cases, there's a simple explanation and an even simpler fix. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon orders can be delayed for several reasons, and knowing the exact cause can save you time, stress, and money. In this video, you'll learn how to find out why your Amazon order is not arriving, what steps to take next, and how to get help if the issue isn't resolved. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do in 26 if your package is late. Let's get straight to the fix. First, open Amazon and go to your orders. Find the delayed order and check the latest tracking update. This is important because the tracking page often tells you whether the package is delayed due to weather, carrier issues, inventory problems, or delivery attempts. But here's the problem. Many people stop there and wait. That's where valuable time gets lost. If the tracking hasn't updated for several days, contact the carrier directly using the tracking number. Sometimes the shipping company has more detailed information than what's displayed inside Amazon. Now here's where it gets interesting. If Amazon shows the package as delivered but you haven't received it, check around your property, mailbox, apartment office, or with neighbors. Delivery drivers sometimes leave packages in unexpected but secure locations. This is where most people fail. They request a refund too quickly without checking Amazon's estimated delivery window. Amazon may still consider the package in transit, which can delay support options. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to escalate the issue if nothing works. Next, verify your shipping address. Even a small address mistake can create delivery delays. If you recently moved, double-check that the correct address was selected during checkout. If the order is significantly overdue, go to Amazon customer service and choose the order in question. Use the chat or callback option. Explain the situation clearly and provide the tracking information. In many cases, Amazon may offer a replacement, refund, or additional investigation depending on the circumstances. One quick win is checking for Amazon emails. Sometimes Amazon sends updates about delays, verification requests, or delivery exceptions that customers miss. To recap, check tracking details, contact the carrier, verify your address, inspect nearby delivery locations, and reach out to Amazon support if the package remains overdue. Following these steps solves most delivery issues quickly. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing which step fixed your Amazon delivery problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.